The folks at J&K Engines are best known for keeping work trucks on the road at working man prices, but they also know how to make 6 liters party reliably. So yeah, I went from a basic rebuild to stage 1, then stage 2, and finally landed on a stage 3 build. I'm actually really impressed with myself that I didn't just go full stupid and get their 6.3 liter engine. Luckily, I reminded myself just in time that a fire-breathing race engine is the opposite of what I need. Anyway, here's what a stage 3 6 liter from J&K entails. J&K starts with a remanufactured block that is bored between 30 and 40 over, depending on the original condition. Stage 3 gets all the goodies, which means mine has been blueprinted and the entire rotating assembly has been balanced. It's got ARP main studs and polymer coated main, rod, and cam bearings, which translates to just being way more durable. With any diesel, durability is the turbo's gatekeeper. The pistons are ceramic coated, and to get way more from this now built engine, J&K offers their custom billet camshaft. They tell me it's been heat treated 5 times deeper than stock. Back home in Queens, New York, we'd call that brolic. And while we all know a bigger cam needs more horses, this cam is also designed to solve a 6 liter valve train issue of dropping lifters. So you get smoother idle, better valve train reliability, faster spooling, and lower EGTs, which I think all adds up to more power. The factory push rods have never been great and become problematic once you turn up the boost. The J&K rods are slightly shorter, fixing a known 6 liter issue, but are also way stronger thanks to good old 4130 chromoly and, well, just being thick. Yeah, a bump up from 11/30 seconds to 3/8 means 50% more load capacity. Now, to fix the big one, the 6 liters Achilles heel, beyond EGR issues and the whole water and oil cooling situation, has been the head, partially due to only having 4 studs per cylinder. To fix that, J&K uses ARP head studs that are rated to 220,000 PSI tensile strength to keep from divorcing the head and the block when you goose that boost. In addition, they O-ring the heads and upgrade to a high rev valve spring, because you know what? Who doesn't want to rev a diesel a little bit more? In the end, this will likely be the best mod that I do make to the van. Not that I actually need the ability to make over 1,500 horsepower. Yeah, shout out to Powerstroke Central who hit that insane number with this engine.